Hey man, Black X back at it again. See, it's the reason why I'm giving you cats a real good game, right? Because if you hadn't elevated to that level in life and haven't really went nowhere and really met nobody and had no plug, you really don't know what to do. So always remember, when you meet the cartel, they ask for that ID, right? They want to know where your family is, everybody is, right? So you got to do the same investigating on the people that's in your circle. See, cats ain't gonna tell you all that. The real OGs ain't finna give you that game. I'm giving it to you, man, because I want you to know, man. It ain't no win. But boy, look, you should be sharp on your job, though. Should be on your game, man. When you playing that game now, man, hey, man, you need all the aces in the hole you can get. And that's facts. Out of here. Peace.